Hi kids! Today we will gain the knowledge about A to Z bird names. A for Albatross. A for Albatross. A for Andaman woodpecker. A for Andaman woodpecker. B for Barbet. B for Barbet. B for blue jay. B for blue jay. C for crow. C for crow. C for crane. C for crane. D for duck. D for duck. D for dove. D for dove. E for egret. E for egret. E for eagle. E for eagle. F for flamingo. F for flamingo. F for finches. F for finches. G for godwit. G for godwit. G for goldfinch. G for goldfinch. H for hummingbird. H for hummingbird. H for hornbill. H for hornbill. I for ibis. I for ibis. I for Indian peafowl. I for Indian peafowl. J for jungle fowl. J for jungle fowl. J for jacana. J for jacana. K for kingfisher. K for kingfisher. K for kite. K for kite. L for lark. L for lark. L for lovebird. L for lovebird. M for macaw. M for macaw. M for maina. M for maina. N for nightingale. N for nightingale. N for nuthatch. N for nuthatch. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for owl. O for owl. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for quail. Q for quail. Q for quetzal. Q for quetzal. R for raven. R for raven. R for robin. R for robin. S for sparrow. S for sparrow. S for swan. S for swan. T for turkey. T for turkey. T T for touchcan. T for touchcan. U for umbrella bird. U for umbrella bird. U for urea. U for urea. V for vulture. V for vulture. V for vermilion. V for vermilion. W for woodpecker. W for woodpecker. W for weaver. W for weaver. X for synapse. X for synapse. X for zomis. X for zomis. Y for yellowhammer. Y for yellowhammer. Y for yellow wabril. Y for yellow warbler. Z for zebra waxbill. Z for zebra waxbill. Z for zebra dove. Z for zebra dove. Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe for new videos.